Hey guys, well, we've been at work here. We got all 4 walls put up on the treehouse. We got to get the roof on. It's went pretty fairly well. I got some of the trim on. Some of it I'll have to wait. Get up on the ladders, match everything up. But they said they're gonna be a deck under here. Pretty good size, a lot of room. So went with a dark navy blue and a gray for the trim. See if I can't climb up here and show a little bit of it. It's gonna be a real nice room up here. Got a real good wind. It's still pretty sturdy. So (12 by 16), or no, excuse me, around 12 by 14. Boxed in. Good space. Front. You can hear it creaking. So there's the view out the back side. View of the Amish farm over there. View of mountains in the background. It's gonna be a nice space, guys. Like it. So 4 walls. Then we just gotta get the roof put on. So everybody stay with it. Should be on by the end of the week, we hope. Got to go pick up the materials. So I don't have any metal roofing, so I'll be trying to find the metal roofing. So anyway, guys, 4 walls on the do-it-yourself treehouse. I really like this space. I like it a lot. I've even had thoughts of turning this into my little workshop. Not Airbnb, so but we'll see. So anyway, y'all enjoy. See ya.